amazing this back to school year, but you feel like you can't because your school has a uniform? Don't worry, I got you, because in this video I'm going to be telling you guys the tips that are going to help you look amazing in your school uniform. Hi, I'm my best friends and welcome back to my sleepover. Today's video is all about how you can look your best in your school uniform. And before we get into this video, I'm just going to say that if you want to look absolutely stunning, then definitely stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to be giving you guys a tip at the end that you really don't want to miss if you're serious about being that girl this back to school year. So number one, we're going to be starting with more basic tips and building up to more interesting ones. But as basic as this tip is going to be, it's actually really important. First things first, if you want to know how to look great in your school's dress code, then you have to know exactly what is allowed by the dress code, what is not, how you can kind of like tweak and manipulate the rules in the dress code. For example, if it doesn't say anywhere that you can't wear accessories, then you can definitely use some accessories to spice up your outfit and make yourself look really good. But if the dress code says that you can't wear big and bright accessories, that can allow you to still wear tiny, really like delicate necklaces that are still going to elevate your look while sticking to the dress code. If you can add knee-high socks to your uniform, it is going to make it look so much more cuter. Just make sure that you're allowed to, and if you're allowed to, definitely go for it. The second tip can help you so much because sometimes some uniforms have different options for them. So you can have a pants option, you can have a skirt option, you can have a dress option. So if your school has that, then what you can do to actually look really good is to mix and match those options. Wear pants on some days, wear a skirt on some days, a dress on the other days. That is definitely going to give you more variety in your uniform and your outfits, and is going to make you stand out as the it girl in your high school. Another thing that can really help you if you have different uniform options, if your uniform options are layerable, that can actually make it look so freaking cute. Okay, this one I really love. Well, not right now because I kind of cannot do this one right now, but if your dress code does not say anything about it, what you can actually do is try some different, interesting, and really pretty hairstyles with your uniform. This is going to really take your look from basic to stunning, and people are going to be noticing those interesting hairstyles, make you feel more confident because you're happy when you look in the mirror. I wish I could do this, but with my hair length right now, I really can't do that much unless I end up with like 2 ponytails or something, or actually like a pineapple. Woo! If you feel like your dress code is way too strict, this tip is going to be your freaking holy grail, because I'm pretty sure most schools never say anything about using a perfume or a lotion in their dress code. Choose a perfume that you think really smells good and use it every single day when you're going to school. So some perfume or lotion recommendations that I can give you guys is one like this one right here by Lacoste or Lacoste. I don't know how to pronounce it. It smells pretty sweet, but at the same time sophisticated. Another one that I think smells really good and that I really like if you want something more floral is Bloom by Gucci. And if you want some more affordable perfume options, Ariana Grande's Sweet Like Candy is kind of like medium price point perfume. And if you want to go even cheaper than that, I actually really like some Police perfumes, and they're like $20. And also I think Victoria's Secret body mists are also a good smelling, inexpensive option as well. Body mist. I want to check the price because I don't want to lie to you guys, because I've only ever gotten them as a gift, so I've never bought them myself, so I don't know how much they cost. Okay, they're $19 and those usually smell pretty good. The one that I have right now is called Golden Bloom. It's actually in Prague, so I can't show it to you guys. This is going to make you feel and look more attractive, because when you smell good you feel good, and at the same time smells are really memorable, so it's going to make you memorable as well in other people's eyes, because when they smell that smell that you always wear, they're going to think about you. And that's on Cool Psychology Hacks. Also, I have an amazing video on psychology hacks to get your crush to like you. This one is incredibly important, and it is something that you're seeing me wear right now, but mostly for school dress codes. I think most schools would not allow it to this extent, which is to have your nails done. While some schools might be okay with nail art and colorful nail polish, I know some schools are not. So what you can do in that case is just use a clear nail polish. No one can really see it, but it really gives your nails a whole other level of a sophisticated and clean look, which is going to definitely make you look way better. Okay, now you guys, I gotta make a really important point, and this is actually doable for every single person who has school uniform, which is basically to always make sure that you have a clean and well ironed uniform, and also make sure that you yourself are also always showering before school and you're always clean, because that is going to make such a big difference. Okay, let's get back. If you don't have a requirement for shoes, then that's a really good excuse to actually make your outfits look better by wearing shoes that are really cute, expressive of your personality, or just look amazing with your uniform. Some shoes that would look great with plaid skirts would be Doc Martens, or any Doc Marten lookalikes if you can't afford it. Some more shoes that I would recommend are any white shoe, and if you want to kind of like splurge on it, you can get Vans or you can get Nike Air Force Ones, which I think look really pretty with uniform skirts. Or if you kind of don't want to spend on them, you can get any other like white tennis shoe type of shoe. I also really love these shoes that I've been seeing all over Pinterest, and I ended up getting for myself as well. I think if they're like your style, they would look really pretty with uniform. And I personally would wear chunky boots because that's really my style. The next one, and this is the secret tip that I told you guys you would not want to miss, is to visit a tailor and get your uniform actually fitted to your body. This is something that celebrities always do with their clothes. That's why usually all clothing pieces look amazing on them. You can do the same with your uniform if it's allowed, and that's going to make it look so much better on you. This one is to have a makeup look that really fits your face. Some schools do allow you to wear a lot of makeup, while some schools would not allow you to wear makeup. So the best way to go about it, if your school does not allow you to wear a lot of makeup, is to wear light concealer, a little bit of brown eyeshadow, and some mascara. This is going to look so natural. It's going to be almost unnoticeable, and it's going to really elevate your look. Okay, you guys, real quick though, I really want to tell you the best tip when it comes to concealer to give your face a lifted look. And it is to put your concealer kind of like going upwards, and also put it like right here too. And when you're blending it, make sure to blend it in here and also drag it upwards. That is really going to give you that like lifted face look that is like so popular right now. Okay, you see the difference between like this eye and this eye? So another thing that you can actually use to look good in school uniform is something that I'm holding right here. If you're allowed to, use some lip gloss. Trust me, it will definitely look really good. One of the ones that I like is this one, which is, which one is it? I'm like so professional. I don't even remember my favorite lip gloss. It is Hi-Fi Shine, and it's like a bunch of different shades. My favorite one is called Candy Flip, and it has this like purplish tint that you can't really see, but when the light hits it, it gives it such a beautiful purple glow. And this tip is something that I've raved about since the beginning of my days, which is someone can be wearing the most amazing outfit while the other person can be wearing a terrible outfit, yet the person with the terrible outfit can look better if they're wearing it with confidence. So if you want to know how to have the confidence that is going to make or break your outfit, then check out this video right here, which is going to be telling you guys how to become more confident and rock your outfit this school year. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!